Hello and welcome back to Milta Marina, one of the Mediterranean's most prestigious marinas and host of the Partisan of Yachting regatta. Day 2 opened with the pre-race briefing for skippers. Preparing their yachts in the marina before racing, teams had plenty to think about as they focused on rig preparation ahead of another demanding day. The day's racing would see the teams contest a coastal race, snaking 14 nautical miles along the coastline off Boddrum. In the light breeze, race strategy was all about hunting out every puff of wind, and the tactical game intensified. Any mistake would easily lose a team's advantage. On the first leg, teams kept to the shore side of the course, where the wind and current carried the advantage. As the race unfolded westwards along the coastline, the breeze steadily increased, adding to the stunning spectacle. Team Victoria held the lead as the fleet rounded the turning point of Kagi Island, a rocky outcrop off the Akular headland. Rounding the island, the fleet hoisted their spinnakers for the downwind charge to the finish line. We had a very good start, but then the wind came from behind, so the other competitors had the chance to catch up. But we managed to keep a good position. It's my first time here, so as the days go by, we are learning. And the weather, we hope, for even better results. With racing over for the day, teams got to enjoy the unique ambience of the Partisan of Yachting regatta. A time to see old friends, meet new ones, generally soak up the atmosphere and enjoy the packed programme of entertainment. We will be back tomorrow for more sailing action. Do stay with us.